Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Carnage from, Carnage and Venom and from the Spider-Man series. It's going to be more like a headshot, maybe shoulders. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to be using this Acrylic brand marker. You can use anything you want though. You can use a pen, you can use a pencil, doesn't matter. For beginners, like I said, you can either watch me as I do this or you can join along. So either one's fine, alright? If you want to just watch, chill out, you can do that as well. I'm going to start with a far side eye with Carnage. And so I'm going to pull up with a far side eye right here, and I'm going to throw like a line in the middle, kind of starting it out. Where am I going to start these eyes, right? Because we know they're going to be big old bug eyes, right? Like Spider-Man, Venom. So they're going to be this giant shape right here. So I'm going to pull up, start pulling up over here for the far side, down, pulling up, down. So you can keep going with these lines right here. I'm just literally doing this and like feeling it out. You know, like I'm using the tip of the pen. I'm remembering that. That's different as well. But dark area in this central area, right here in the front, and then it kind of like comes out because this would be red over here on this side. That is it. Thank you so much. I appreciate you watching. If you like this video, go check out the stuff that I offer. I offer hour-long tutorials on like anime, on drawing your own dragon. You know, you can draw your own dragon. Anatomy. Like I go through every part of the body. Anatomy, chest, like arms, legs, all that stuff. Torso, head, portraits, all of that. Those are all hour-long videos, but they're all for beginners. Okay? Check that out, my Skillshare. I'll put the link below. The link should pop up there. I think in the first comment, and that is it. I will talk to you next time, and we will talk very soon, all right? This is Enrique, and this is Easy Pictures Draw. I'll see you next time.